Feeling like your own body is waging war against you? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide grapple with autoimmune diseases, where the immune system, our supposed defender, turns rogue and attacks healthy tissues. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not going to talk about fancy treatments or expensive supplements. We're going on a supermarket adventure. Get ready to unlock the power of everyday foods to become a supermarket samurai, wielding your grocery cart to fight back against autoimmune disease. The battlefield within. Understanding autoimmune diseases. Imagine your immune system, the superhero tasked with defending your body from invaders, has gone rogue. Instead of fighting off viruses and bacteria, it starts attacking healthy tissues. That's the core of autoimmune diseases. Common ones include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and Crohn's disease, each with its own set of symptoms. While there's no known cure, managing your condition effectively can significantly improve your quality of life. The good news: research is increasingly pointing towards the power of food as a key player in this battle. Food isn't just fuel. It's information that your body uses to heal and thrive. By making smart choices at the supermarket, you can actually shift the course of your autoimmune disease. Sounds pretty empowering, right? Equipping your cart. Supermarket foods as allies. Think of your supermarket aisles as a hidden training ground for your inner samurai. Here are some key ingredients to equip your grocery cart. The anti-inflammatory brigade. Chronic inflammation fuels the fire of autoimmune disease. Enter the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables. They're packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that act like natural firefighters, quelling inflammation and reducing pain. Think berries, leafy greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes, a rainbow of delicious options to fight back. The gut guardian garrison. Your gut is a complex ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria, both friendly and not so friendly. In autoimmune diseases, the balance can be disrupted. But fear not, for we have gut-friendly probiotics. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables like kimchi are like probiotic warriors, helping to restore a healthy gut microbiome and potentially reducing autoimmune symptoms. The omega-3 navy. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These essential fats are like a highly trained navy patrolling the waters within your body. Here's why they deserve a spot in your autoimmune battle plan. Taming the inflammatory tide. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is a hallmark of many autoimmune diseases. Omega-3s act like skilled diplomats, calming the overactive immune system and reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. Imagine them negotiating a ceasefire between your immune cells, restoring peace and order within your body. Regulating the immune system renegades. Remember how your rogue immune system is attacking healthy tissues. Omega-3s can help bring those renegade cells back in line. They work by modulating the immune response, making it less aggressive and more targeted. Think of them as wise advisors, guiding the immune system towards a more balanced and effective approach. A potential ally against rheumatoid arthritis. Research suggests that omega-3s might be particularly helpful in managing rheumatoid arthritis. They can potentially reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling, offering much-needed relief and improving your overall quality of life. So, the next time you're at the supermarket, consider adding these fishy friends to your shopping cart. By incorporating omega-3s into your diet, you're giving your body a powerful weapon to fight back against inflammation and potentially manage your autoimmune disease more effectively. Building your personalized power plate. Now, let's create your personalized power plate, a strategic battle plan on your dinner table. Remember, consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is crucial for tailoring a plan that works best for your specific autoimmune disease. Here are some general strategies for building your power plate. Whole foods first. Ditch the processed food villains lurking in your supermarket aisles. They're loaded with added sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can worsen inflammation. Focus on whole and processed heroes like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. Identify and eliminate food triggers. While we've been stocking your kitchen with powerful allies, there might be some hidden enemies lurking in your pantry. These are the sneaky foods that could be worsening your autoimmune symptoms, acting as undercover agents in the war within your body. Common culprits include gluten, dairy, and refined sugars. These can trigger inflammation, disrupt your gut health, and exacerbate symptoms like fatigue, pain, and digestive issues. So, how do we identify these food foes? Enter the elimination diet. This detective work, conducted under the guidance of a healthcare professional, involves temporarily removing certain food groups from your diet and monitoring your body's response. It's like putting each suspect through an interrogation to see which ones trigger a flare-up. By systematically eliminating potential culprits and observing the changes in your body, you can identify the foods that might be hindering your healing journey. Remember, an elimination diet is a temporary investigation, not a permanent lifestyle change. Once you've identified the potential triggers, you can slowly reintroduce them and see how your body reacts. This allows you to personalize your diet and eliminate the specific foods that are causing problems. By becoming a food detective, you can take back control, eliminate hidden enemies, and empower your body to heal. Variety is the spice of life and healing. Don't get stuck in a food rut. Explore a diverse range of fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a wide variety of nutrients. Think beyond the usual suspects. Ditch the beige and embrace the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables. Each color explosion on your plate represents a powerhouse of different nutrients. Deep red tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Leafy greens are brimming with vitamins A and K, crucial for cell health and immunity. Orange sweet potatoes offer a generous dose of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which plays a vital role in vision and immune function. This rainbow of color isn't just visually appealing. It's a symphony of essential nutrients working in harmony to support your body's healing journey. But remember, consistency is key. Don't treat these dietary changes as a temporary fix. Aim to incorporate this colorful variety into your daily meals. Think of it as a long-term commitment to building a stronger, healthier you. Food is a powerful weapon in your arsenal, and with a diverse and delicious approach, you'll be well on your way to a more vibrant and resilient body. Conclusion: living with an autoimmune disease can feel like navigating a maze. But remember, you're not alone. By becoming a supermarket samurai, wielding the power of everyday, healthy foods, you can take control of your well-being. Imagine yourself, a warrior armed with vibrant fruits and vegetables, battling inflammation and promoting healing from within. This journey is about more than just diet. It's about embracing a holistic approach. Listen to your body, explore stress management techniques, and prioritize quality sleep. Knowledge truly is power. Research your specific condition, talk openly with your doctor, and create a personalized plan that empowers you to feel your best. Remember, food is powerful medicine, and with the right approach, you can embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more empowered you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on health, nutrition, and living well with chronic conditions. Let's build a supportive community in the comments section below. Share your experiences, tips, and recipes to help others on their journeys towards optimal health. Thanks for watching.